I moved from Italy, where I was posted previously. So one of the concerns I had was where to live and how am I going to set up my life here and so on.
At the credit union, we've always believed that no credit history does not mean bad credit history.
We Skype called from Rome, and they're like, you know what, you can actually borrow to buy a place.
Many times members aren't familiar with the United States and what our credit reporting is all about.
So it's important to establish credit and have great scores.
A credit report, it has your name, your address, previous addresses you lived at, how long you've had credit, but also too, it lists all what we call trade lines, people you've borrowed from before. I always think of credit score as your financial blood pressure. Only in this case, the higher the better.
We were really worried about getting a credit card or car loans or buying a house, but the credit union truly helped us establish credit history.
Start out with a credit card, then a consumer loan, then a car loan, working your way up to a mortgage. That shows a good, solid credit building history, which really looks good as you're building a credit score.
They know the unique situations that the G4 visa holders have.
The first step should be look at your credit report. Are these items correct? If they're not correct, you notify the credit company immediately. We will help you there. Be very, very diligent in your payment, making sure you never go over your limits on your credit cards, and making sure you pay everything on time and as agreed.
Here in the US, there's so much push for borrowing money.
We want to start out very, very conservative and expand slowly over time. You don't want to accelerate your credit too quick. Periodically, we give seminars on how to build a good credit history, about fraud. And these, I find, are very, very helpful to our members. When you bring us information, we're going to do our best to sit down with you, go over it, and see how it impacts you.
And suddenly we felt, oh my goodness, this is just opening doors to possibilities.